Hello, I have a very quick and easy cake decoration idea for you. This is a cute little fondant mailbox. I'm rolling out some gray fondant for the box part. Essentially, this is just a rectangle with rounded sides. It would be very easy to just completely hand cut this. I did use some oval cutters I had just on the side. I also used the side of an oval cutter to mark where the inside of the box is to give it some dimension. And then also cut out a small thin rectangle to look like an open door. I dusted this with silver luster dust to make it look metallic, and then I used a darker silver luster dust to wear the inside of the mailbox. Next, we'll cut out some small shapes from some red fondant to make the little flag on the mailbox. This is my easy marshmallow fondant recipe. I have a video made for how to make this. It's also on my website. And now I'll be using this wood grain impression mat to make a wood pattern on some brown fondant. I also have a recipe for chocolate fondant as well. This will be the wooden post that the mailbox sits on. I'm going to be adding some sprinkles to this to make it look like sprinkles are exploding out of the mailbox. And I've chosen this mix by Sweets and Treats Boutique called Sugar Rush because of its cute Valentine's Day colors and heart shapes. Sprinkles stick to fondant easily with just a little bit of water. I added these pieces to my buttercream cake here after the cake was chilled and set. The fondant pieces were pretty small and light, so they stuck to the condensation of the cold cake, but if you were having difficulty, you could pipe some fresh buttercream on the back of the fondant pieces to help them stick. Now I'm just adding some more sprinkles right to the buttercream here to make it look like they are exploding out of the mailbox. And here is how it turned out. I do have a previous video on how I made these buttercream stripes, but the mailbox itself would look cute on really any background design. Thank you so much for watching.